Alright, hey guys, we are back with another video. Today we got the TP-Link AC1900. So this is a Wi-Fi router. Apparently it's a smart Wi-Fi router. Not exactly sure what that means. But yeah. So let me show you guys around the box first. And the back. So it explains a couple things in the back. I haven't really read through them yet, but yeah, it seems like it's generally trying to improve your internet access by I'm not even sure actually. I'll have to read over this later. This is just an unboxing. If you guys want me to do a review, I can do that as well. But yeah, I'm gonna get this opened up real quick. Alright. This is also actually on sale. It's about $100 or maybe 80. And yeah, it was like $30 off or 20, something like that. It wasn't that much, but it seemed like a good deal. There's a lot of reviews on Amazon as well. Oh, you also find a link in the description to this product on Amazon.ca if you'd like. But yeah, alright. So it seems like we have to pull off one of the sides. Let's just go for this one. Alright, gotta flip it. Simply just slide it out like that. I'm sorry if you guys hear a little fan in the background. I have a fan on, but yeah. So quick installation guide. I'll have to read that later. Oh, those are the antennas. Power adapter. And, okay, so this is the modem itself. Not modem, router. But, yeah, alright. So they give you an Ethernet cable. This is a Cat5e cable. Alright, put that away. Another quick installation guide, a Wi-Fi information card, and a general public notice, whatever that means. Alright, so, not to so sorry about that, I still have a fever, but yeah, alright. Gotta take off that, and there seems to be a lot of this tape kind of thing that, you know, protects the gloss, I believe. But yeah, we're gonna have to take these off, and yeah, I'm gonna set this up real soon. But this will be as far as the unboxing goes. If you guys want me to do a review or a setup video, I can do that as well. And yeah. Oh, I know if you have any questions about the product, I can. I'll be sure to try and answer your question down in the comments below. But yeah, here it is. Looks pretty nice. It's got these little 3 antennas right here. I believe it's actually 6, because I think it has 2 for. I don't know. Actually, I'm not exactly sure, but it seems like there's 3 antennas. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out the link in the description below, and see you in the next video. Bye.